Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back to our video. So in this video we're gonna make a typical Brazilian bass drop, like artists as Imanbek and Rompasso. So they both became famous by remixing St. John's track, Trap, and Roses. So let's make ours in that style today. So those tracks consist of a trap vocal and a Brazilian bass. So let's start off with a vocal. So by the way, all the vocals, drums, presets we'll be using in this video are coming from the new pack Lit Sounds Stream 2. It includes all the ingredients you need to make Brazilian bass and slap house, 5 rotor-free vocal hooks and verses, drum loops, build-up loops, presets, literally all you need to make the style of music. So it's on the Lounge Discord right now, so make sure to check the link down below. So let's start off with a vocal from the pack, sounding like this.
Hey girl, hey girl.
Those Imanbek tracks tend to have a vocal reverse, so let's make one our own. With the first vocal ad-lib, the A part, sounding like this.
Hey girl, hey girl.
Now let's start working on the breakdown.
Baby, I just wanna see ya.
We'll be starting off with this preset from the pack.
Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa. Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa.
We're working in G minor.
Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa. Shit, baby, I just wanna see ya. Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa. Shit, baby, I just wanna see ya. Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa.
Sounding like this.
Shit, baby, I just wanna see ya. Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa.
So now let's add the first drum loop.
Shit, baby, I just wanna see ya. Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa.
Sounding like this.
Smile like Mona Lisa. Back we flying to Ibiza. Sounds cool.
Now let's add some trap heads from the pack.
Like Mona Lisa. Back we flying to Ibiza.
Let's add a layer to the Reese bass. We'll be using this preset. Let's copy over the Reese melody and mix it.
She got all that what a finger needs. She likes.
Now let's add the open hi-hat and the offbeat. Then we need to fill up the track some more with its ambient sound. Lower down the volume. And add one steady note. Now let's focus on the build-up. We're starting off with a build loop from the pack. Yeah, let's go over this one. Sounding like this. Besides that, we automated the pitch from the lead. Now automate a low cut and then a smile on the master. Just look at the happy face. So all together, build up, sounds like this. So let's start work on the drops, starting off with this Imanbek kick. sounding like this.
Fucking on the beach. Hey girl, hey girl.
Besides that, copy over the other drums.
On the leg. Hey girl, hey girl. Hey girl on the leg.
Trap heads as well.
On the leg. Hey girl, hey girl. Hey girl on the leg.
We got the drums ready, so now let's work on the bass sound. We'll be using this preset. First, let's copy over the Reese notes. Then double the first notes for that typical Imanbek style. Now double the speed of the chord progression. Make a little variation. Same for the second part. Now let's arrange the drop. Add a Reese layer and open hi-hat to the second part of the drop. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like to see more at the subscribe button. And the final result will sound like this.
On the leg. Rush it, baby, I just wanna see ya. Love to see you smile like Mona Lisa. Back, we flying.